Hello and welcome to the Wise Eyes. Today we're going to be talking about how students can tap into their creativity, despite the challenges and constraints of student life. Whether it's a busy schedule, lack of resources, or simply feeling overwhelmed, being a student can often limit one's creativity. But the good news is, with a little bit of effort and perspective, anyone can unleash their creative potential. So, let's dive in. First, let's define what we mean by creativity. Creativity is not just about making art. It's about thinking outside the box, finding new and innovative solutions to problems, and exploring new ideas. And it's not just limited to certain people or fields. Creativity is a skill that anyone can develop. So, what are some of the common limitations students face when it comes to creativity? One of the biggest obstacles students face is time constraints. With so much to do and so little time, it can be hard to find the energy and motivation to be creative. Another common limitation is lack of resources. Whether it's not having access to the right materials or not having the financial resources to pursue a creative project, it can be challenging to bring your creative vision to life. And finally, students may simply feel overwhelmed and uninspired. With so much going on in their lives, it can be hard to find the mental space and focus needed to be creative. So, how can students overcome these limitations and tap into their creativity? First, try to carve out some dedicated time for creativity. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, set aside some time to focus on a creative project or activity. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish in just a short amount of time. Next, get creative with your resources. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and find new and unconventional ways to bring your ideas to life. You don't need the latest and greatest tools to be creative. Often the simplest materials can lead to the most innovative solutions. And finally, find ways to nourish your creativity. Whether it's through reading, taking a walk, or simply taking a break, find ways to recharge your creative batteries and stay inspired. So, to wrap up, being a student doesn't have to limit your creativity. By understanding your limitations, carving out dedicated time, getting creative with your resources, and nourishing your creativity, you can tap into your creative potential and make the most of your student life. That's it for today's episode of The Wise Eyes. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're feeling inspired to unleash your creativity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep those eyes wide open.